To make sure your finances are moving in the right direction, ask yourself these questions. Number 1, have you downloaded the app? It's quick and easy to sign into your Smart Pension account and have your pension in your pocket. Number 2, are your personal details up to date? Take a minute to check everything is correct and choose your beneficiaries today. Number 3, have you checked you're saving enough? Sign in and use our retirement income calculator and you can see how much you have and what you could need in retirement. Think about increasing your contributions if you can. Number 4, have you signed up to Smart Rewards? It's a free discount and savings scheme and could save you up to £600 every year. These quick and easy steps can all help you save towards the retirement you want.